So, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the derivation of the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is used to find the area of a triangle, and the area of a triangle is half times base times height. But this is not the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is the Heron's formula says that if in a triangle the side lengths are A, B, C, then S will be the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C over 2, and the area of the triangle ABC will be square root of S times x minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So let's see the proof. So we will draw a height of this triangle. Let's call this height be H. Let's mark this point as T. Let BT equals to X. So, and see, BC is A. BC is A. Therefore, TC will be A minus X. Now, in triangle ATP by Pythagoras theorem. Let's see, is h squared plus x squared is equal to c squared. Let's mark this as equation 1. Now, in triangle ATC, again by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that h squared plus this A minus x whole square is equals to b square. I will expand this, so we will get h squared plus this a squared plus x squared minus 2ax, and this is equals to b squared. Now see, this h squared plus x squared is our c squared from equation 1. So we can say that combining these two, c squared plus a squared minus 2ax is equals to b squared. From here we get that x is equals to c squared plus a squared. Take this b to the other side, minus b squared, and divide by 2a. So this is our expression for x. Now, from this equation, we can say that h squared is equals to c squared minus x squared. Put the value of x in this, so we will get this is equals to c squared minus x is this thing. So c squared plus a squared minus b squared over 2a whole square. Now, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write this as a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so this is c plus c square plus a square minus b square over 2a, and then times we multiply this by c minus this thing, c square plus a square minus b square over 2a. Okay, now let's solve this further. So we can take 2a as LCM, so we will have 2a, this will be 2ac plus c square plus a square minus b square, and similarly here also take the LCM, this will be 2a times 2ac 2ac, and this minus will be distributed in all these three terms. Minus c square and minus a square and plus b square. Okay, now this will be now we can write this. See, this is a square plus c square plus 2ac. This is in the form of a plus c square. So let me write this way. So this will be a square plus c square plus 2ac, this, and then minus b square over 2a. This is in one bracket, and in other bracket let me take out the minus common. So this will be minus, this will be a square plus c square minus 2ac and the plus b square over 2a. Okay, so this is a plus c whole square, a plus c whole square minus b square over 2a. This is one bracket, and in another bracket we have, let me write down the b square first, b square, and then minus, this is a minus c whole square, a minus c whole square over 2a. Now, and this is our h square, remember. So h square is equals to, this is again in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write this as a plus b times a minus b, and similarly we can write this also. Let me write it down. This is a plus c plus b times a plus c minus b, and let me write it down this also. This is b plus a minus c times b minus a, and then this minus goes to this minus, becomes plus c. This is divided by 2a times 2a, which is 2a square. So from here we get h is equals to the square root of this. So the square root of a plus b plus c times a plus c minus b times b plus a minus c times this b minus a plus c, and divided by the square root of 2a square is 2a. So we have h. So this is our expression for h. Now see, what is our s? S is a plus b plus c over 2. It is the semi-perimeter. So therefore, what is a plus b plus c in terms of s? So let me write it down here. A plus b plus c is simply 2x, 2s. Okay. Now, if I subtract both sides by 2b, what I will get? A and b minus 2b is minus b plus c is 2x minus 2b, which is 2 times s minus b, means this is equals to this. Similarly, b plus a minus c is 2 times s minus c. If we subtract both sides minus 2c, then we will get this, and this b minus a plus c will be 2 times s minus a. Okay, if we subtract both sides minus 2a, means if we subtract both sides by 2a, we will get this. This is equals to this. So let me put these values into here. So this will be the square root of a plus b plus c is 2s times, this is this a plus c minus b. This is a plus c minus b is this 2 times s minus b times 2 times this is b plus a minus c s minus c, and this is 2 times s minus a, and this is divided by 2a. So see, we have 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16. The square root of 16 is 4. 4 times the square root of s. Let me write down the s minus a first. S minus a times s minus b times s minus c, and divided by 2a. 2a, which is equals to, cut this is 2 over a times the square root of s minus a, s minus b times s minus c. Now, what is the area of this triangle? This is h. The area of the triangle is half times h times a. So area is half times h. H is this. Put this h, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and then times a. So see, a and a cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. We are left with the Heron's formula, what we call it as Heron's formula. The area of a triangle is s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. So we have derived the Heron's formula. Thanks for watching.